This is the AOIT backup valve for Polaris pool cleaners. Let's take it out of the package. So this is the backup valve, sometimes called a reversing valve, same thing. What it does with your Polaris cleaner is when it's in the pool, sometimes the vacuum, because it just wanders aimlessly around the pool, can get into trouble. It can get stuck in a corner or can't work its way out of that. So periodically, with the water flowing through this, what it'll do is open up this jet over here and shoot water out of that. And the pressure of that water coming out will lift the entire cleaner and move it somewhere else randomly in the pool, and then this will shut off and allow water to go back to the cleaner to let it do its job. It's real easy to replace. The only thing you do have to watch for is to install it in the correct direction. There is an arrow on here that shows you which way. And on this one, there's the arrow there. The arrow simply has to point towards the cleaner itself. So now all you have to do is connect the hoses up and you're ready to go. So it's real easy to replace this. Again, you want to pay attention to the direction that it's going to be installed. Typically, as you see right here, this one is pointing this way with the jet pointing that way, which goes to the cleaner itself. And the new one has the arrow in the same direction. So it'll fit just like that. So to do that, you have these nuts on here. You have to unscrew them. You must keep these nuts. They're part of your existing equipment. Wiggle the hose off, right like that, and take the nut. Again, pay attention to which way it connects. So this is the right way. The new one connects in the same fashion like that. So let me put this down for a second. Put the nut onto the new backup valve first, and now work the hose on. If you already have one existing like this, it should pop right on. And then screw the nut back until it's tight. So we have that. Now we'll do the same for the other side. Again, unscrew the nut. It goes one way and not the other. One way will unscrew it and the other won't. Like that. Slide the nut up and work the hose off. Take the nut with you because you're going to need it. And the new one, put the nut on it first and then stick your hose on. Now, my stuff has been around, so it's dirty in that, but same difference either way. And screw that on until it's tight, which is right there, and that's it. It's been successfully replaced. So once again, this is the AOIT backup valve for Polaris pool cleaners. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.